What's going on, guys? I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. Let me give you a quick tour of the LX4. This LX4 is equipped with our Yamaha 300 V6. A cool feature on the LX4 here is the aft seating. You can expand the cockpit bigger and smaller. This comes all the way forward, makes it flush against these, or it can go all the way back to get a bigger swim platform. Here in the LX4, there's ample amount of storage on both sides. Deep locker here. This side has your battery switches on and off, also has a cooler, and the table. The table has two positions for it. One right here, cocktails, food, lunch, whatever you need, and then also up front in the bow as well. So up here at the helm, we have our dual Garmin display, digital throttle, trim tabs over here as well as all our digital switching. And then here, a cool feature Regal has is a phone charger. So, you just place your phone in here, it will charge your phone and also keep it so it doesn't slide out. Another great feature that Regal has as well is the power tower comes all the way down forward so you can get more sun in the back, or you can cover your face if you have some bad weather up here as well. So here on our co-captain side, we have our Fusion stereo head unit. This LX4 is also equipped with our bathroom. It has a full sink as well as some storage in there. As you can see, there's ample amount of seating up here for you and your family and the kids. This seat also is removable. As I told you about that table in the back as well, this can come into a table. You can eat lunch up here, share cocktails, as well as the flip down armrest both sides. And you have your LED and your Fusion head unit stereos up front as well. Thanks for touring this beautiful LX4 with me today. Again, my name is Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. If you're interested in this boat or learning more about it, please reach out at sales@sandyhookyachts.com.